Welcome back! Happy Friday! I can't wait to draw with you guys today. But before we start illustrating, I first would like to give a shout out to a school. This time it's to the E School in Hingham, Massachusetts. I painted a mural there. I had such a great time. Thank you, E School. Yay! Okay, so look how full our bowl of MashUp Suggestion is. For those of you who turned in ideas on YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, and on Instagram, thank you very much. Okay, so let's randomly choose one. I'll put this bowl down. And, okay, this one is from Jessica Ann, and she'd like for us to mash up a starfish and an avocado. Cool. I grew up in California, so avocados are, near and dear to my heart. So, great suggestion, Jessica. All right, so I'm going to turn on the projector. Here it is. And as you can see, my Sharpie is there. This is Jessica's suggestion. And, my bowl of suggestion is on the way. And that's in the way. And okay, so that's her suggestion. She's number 13, so her entry is one of the first ones. I'll put this aside. Keep in mind you can't erase because everything you create will be perfect and beautiful all the time. And if you need to pause because I draw really fast, please pause the video. And also keep in mind you don't have to draw exactly how I'm illustrating the starfish avocado. Let's get started. Okay, the shape of the avocado is not that easy. So the first thing you need to draw will be a pear-like shape. So draw a curved line like this to make the bottom part a little wider. So it's a fun shape. And you can extend it a little bit more. Then repeat that shape. And it doesn't have to be perfect, because avocados actually are not that perfect. Okay, after you draw that, draw the outer layer, or the skin, of the avocado. Just repeat the shape and make it a little bigger. And again, it doesn't have to be perfect, and you don't have to draw exactly how I am illustrating it. Okay? After this, we'll draw the big C. So draw sort of like an oval shape in the middle. I always have a pencil nearby. So here's one, and it doesn't have an eraser. And I'm going to shade the C then. I'll leave a little area here so it'll look kind of glossy. And again, you don't have to do this right now, but this will help render this more convincingly as an avocado. Dun, dun, dun. You can also use a colored pencil, like a brown one, a dark brown one. I'm not coloring this right now, and it doesn't have to be perfect. So there you go. I can come back to that later on too. Alright, so that's mostly the avocado, the sliced avocado portion. The next thing we'll draw will be the points of the starfish. So one here. So make it triangular and have like a round top. But again, it doesn't have to look exactly like mine. You can draw another one. And another one. Okay. And let's draw the bottom two. One. Oop, my paper's moving. And two. There you go. Looks like it's sort of jumping. It's cute. Alright, after you draw the points, congratulations, because that's not easy. Let's add some details on the starfish. So I'm going to add some circles that start kind of big and they become smaller and smaller. And here. Again, you can create your own pattern. I'm adding 5 circles. And the last one. Dun dun. So the overall shape of the starfish avocado is there. Now let's give this guy some fun eyes. So not a surprise for me, one big eye, whoop, and the smaller one. Okay, again, doesn't have to be perfect, but you know, I kind of made a mistake there, so I will make the most out of it. You can tell I kind of drew this eyeball a little differently because of that little oopsie. Okay, that's one. I'll connect this better. So again, how I draw my eyeballs are one C here and another letter C, and I fill in the middle portion. We're almost done. Keep in mind, if you want to add color, I think this will look fantastic in color. Do that after we draw the black and white drawing. Okay, all my characters are happy. Give this guy a big smile with dimples. And I'll add one extra touch. Detail will be, I'll give him a mustache. And again, you can make this a girl avocado starfish if you'd like. Okay, Jessica, I am done. And I'm going to sign this character and I will mail this to you. But when you get a chance, Jessica, please email me your address. Here at my email address, smileyb@bataclan.com. And for those of you who have not subscribed yet on my YouTube channel, please do so. And ring the bell icon so you'll know when a new episode is released, because I'm doing this every day. Alright, so I've been sharing the things I've been doing while social distancing, like painting. I love to read, and I love cats, so this cat-related book is the current book I'm reading. There's a kid's version of this called For the Love of Bob. So, seeing a cute orange cat. Alright, so enjoy the weekend. I look forward to drawing with you guys tomorrow, Saturday. Thank you very, very much, and have fun mashing up. Send me your ideas. Bye!